What if your coffee mug knew exactly how hot you wanted your drink? Or imagine a flying indoor security drone that patrols your home when you're not there. Yeah, that's not science fiction anymore. It's 2025, and the future has officially arrived on Amazon. These aren't your average gadgets. They're brilliant, surprising, and seriously useful tech innovations you can actually buy right now. First up, the HomeKit Zigbee Gateway Hub. Think of this as your smart home's ultimate control tower. It connects your Zigbee-compatible devices, lights, sensors, locks, and gives them a common language, letting your home work together seamlessly. No more juggling multiple apps. Just smooth, automated control across the board, whether you're dimming lights, setting a thermostat, or locking doors remotely. Next, let's talk about raw power in the palm of your hand. The TAIK mini chainsaw is compact but fierce. With a 6-inch blade and 2 rechargeable batteries, this little beast can slice through branches, wood planks, and even small logs without breaking a sweat. It's cordless, surprisingly lightweight, and easy to control with one hand. Whether you're clearing out the backyard or prepping firewood for a trip, this gadget makes you feel like a DIY pro. And here's something straight out of a sci-fi movie: the Ring Always Home Cam. It's a flying indoor drone camera. When you're away, it can take off, patrol your home, and return to its dock, all automatically. It's like having a flying security guard inside your house. You can check the live view from your phone, and it only flies when you're not around for privacy. Welcome to the future of home security. Moving into cozy territory, meet the candle warmer lamp with timer and dimmer. Instead of lighting your favorite candle with a flame, this gadget melts the wax using a gentle warming lamp. Why? It lasts longer, smells better, and it's way safer. No open flame. Plus, the timer and dimmer let you customize how strong and how long you want the scent to linger. Now let's talk wearable innovation. The 2025 Smart Ring Health Tracker packs serious health tech into a tiny, stylish ring. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep quality, and even stress levels, all in real time. Whether you're working out, sleeping, or just going about your day, this ring silently gathers insights to help you stay on top of your wellness game. And yes, it's waterproof and syncs with your phone too. Next up, we've got an upgrade to a household name: the new Ring Video Doorbell. The 2025 edition comes with smarter motion detection, a wider field of view, and color night vision that's surprisingly sharp. It also uses AI to identify people, packages, and even pets. You get real-time alerts straight to your phone, so you know exactly who's at the door, no surprises. Now for the ladies or anyone who appreciates sleek functionality. This smartwatch with Alexa built-in is tailored for women, blending fashion and function in one beautiful design. Beyond tracking steps, heart rate, and sleep, it lets you ask Alexa for weather updates, reminders, and more, all from your wrist. The slim, modern design means it doesn't scream fitness tracker, but it's smart to the core. If you've ever had your coffee go cold mid-sip, you'll love this, the Ember Smart Mug 2. This isn't just a mug, it's a temperature control system for your coffee or tea. You set your perfect temp through the app, and the mug keeps your drink there for up to 90 minutes. No more microwaving coffee or wasting a half-full cup. It's elegant, practical, and oddly satisfying. Let's cool things down, literally, with the TORRAS Coolify Air 2025 neck fan. This personal cooling system wraps around your neck like a pair of sleek headphones, but delivers real air-conditioned airflow directly to your face and neck. With multiple speed settings and ultra-quiet operation, it's perfect for summer walks, commuting, or just chilling at your desk. For something totally mesmerizing, check out the Wacaco Luminous metal fidget spinner. This isn't your average desk toy. Made of heavy-duty zinc alloy, it glows in the dark and spins with a hypnotic smoothness. Whether you're fidgety or just need a stress reliever, this little gadget is both satisfying and oddly addictive. Ever dreamed of a glowing wall that displays the weather forecast, your to-do list, or your music visualizer? Say hello to the Lumetric Sky Pixel display panels. These modular, app-controlled LED tiles light up your room and your mood. You can configure them into different shapes, set dynamic lighting effects, and link them to real-time info like your YouTube subscriber count, clock, or smart home status. It's not just wall art, it's a visual experience. Next up, let's talk keyboards. But not just any keyboard, the Laser Virtual Projection Keyboard. It literally projects a full-sized keyboard onto any flat surface, letting you type on your desk, table, or even your lab. It connects via Bluetooth, works with your phone, tablet, or laptop, and fits in your pocket. You'll feel like a tech wizard every time you use it. Got a green thumb, or want one? The Click and Grow Smart Garden brings farming into your kitchen. Just plug it in, insert the plant pods, and let the automated lighting and watering system take care of everything. Whether it's basil, lettuce, or cherry tomatoes, this gadget helps you grow fresh herbs and greens with zero effort. It's clean, compact, and satisfying. Next, the smart water bottle with hydration reminders. This bottle doesn't just hold water, it tells you when to drink. With an integrated LED glow and vibration alert, it syncs with your fitness tracker to optimize hydration based on your activity and environment. The best part? It even tracks how much water you drink each day. Here's something every traveler will love: the Smart Luggage Tracker Tag. Attach it to your suitcase and you'll never lose your bags again. This device uses GPS and Bluetooth to show you where your luggage is in real time via an app. It even alerts you if your bag moves out of range. Whether it's at the airport, hotel, or someone else's taxi, you'll know instantly. Craving cafe-style coffee at the campsite or on a road trip? Enter the Wacaco Nanopresso portable espresso maker. This handheld powerhouse uses manual pressure to brew rich, smooth espresso. No battery or power needed. It's rugged, compact, and incredibly easy to clean. If you're a coffee snob on the go, this one's a game changer. Up next is a gadget that sounds like magic: the handheld language translator device. Just speak into it, and it instantly translates your words into over 70 languages. It's fast, accurate, and works both online and offline. Whether you're traveling, doing business abroad, or just making new friends across cultures, this tool breaks down language barriers instantly. Ever lost your keys or wallet at the worst time? Meet the Tile Pro Smart Bluetooth Tracker. Attach it to anything you frequently lose. Open the app and tap Find. The tile will ring loudly. Can't find your phone? Double press the tile, and your phone will ring even if it's on silent. Total lifesaver. The smart digital measuring tool is a dream come true for DIYers. With a laser-based design, it accurately measures distances, areas, and angles instantly. It stores measurements in its memory and connects to your phone so you can keep track of all your measurements digitally. Say goodbye to messy tape measures and scribbled notes. For those who like a spotless living space without lifting a finger, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is your new best friend. This powerhouse vacuums and mops simultaneously, identifies obstacles using AI, and automatically empties its dustbin and refills water. It literally cleans itself, so you don't have to. Here's a fun one: the floating levitating Bluetooth speaker. Yes, it floats mid-air using magnetic levitation, while spinning and pumping out 360-degree sound. The audio quality is crisp, and the futuristic design makes it the centerpiece of any room. Whether it's a gift or your next desk flex, this gadget grabs attention. And for smart lighting that's truly next-gen, meet the Nanoleaf line's light bars. These modular, color-changing LED strips mount in geometric patterns and sync with music, movies, or your voice assistant. The ambient glow is stunning, and the customization options are nearly endless. Let's keep the futuristic vibes rolling with something straight out of a sci-fi movie: the TORRAS Soundcore Motion Boom Plus Bluetooth speaker. This speaker isn't just waterproof and rugged, it also comes with 80 watts of booming sound and an ultra-deep bass you can actually feel. Whether you're at the beach, a barbecue, or even on a hike, this speaker will keep the party going. And with its built-in power bank, it'll also charge your devices on the go. Speaking of power on the go, the solar-powered backpack is one of the coolest travel gadgets out there. Imagine carrying a backpack that charges your devices while you're on the move. With an integrated solar panel, it harnesses the power of the sun to charge your phone, tablet, or even a laptop. So, whether you're hiking, biking, or just out for a walk, this backpack keeps your tech powered up. Now, here's something you never thought you needed: the Morpheus sleep mask. This isn't just any sleep mask. It comes with built-in Bluetooth speakers, noise-canceling technology, and smart wake-up features. You can set it to play soothing sounds, adjust the light levels to help you fall asleep faster, or even wake you up with gentle vibrations at the perfect moment in your sleep cycle. It's basically like having your personal sleep assistant. For those of you who love a little personalization, the Amazon Echo Show 15 is perfect for the smart home enthusiast. This 15-inch touchscreen is more than just a smart display, it's a family hub. It connects to all your smart devices, manages your calendar, plays music, shows recipes, and even acts as a digital photo frame. Plus, it can be mounted on your wall or placed on a stand, so it's perfect for any space in your home. If you're into fitness and want a smart gadget that's both sleek and super functional, the Garmin Venu 2 Plus smartwatch should be on your radar. It not only tracks your heart rate, steps, and sleep, but it also has built-in music storage and can control your smart home devices, all from your wrist. Plus, it's water-resistant and has a super long battery life, making it perfect for any workout or outdoor adventure. So, which of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more real-world tech that feels like science fiction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.